Factoring trinomials. Determine the polynomial which has x plus 2 as its factor. So we're given 4 different polynomials here, and you need to figure out which one of these has x plus 2 as its factor. Well, you can pause the video, write down your solution, and then check with my suggestion. Now, one way to solve this question is to factor them, right? For example, this is x squared plus x minus 6. If I want to factor it, I'm looking for a product of minus 6 and sum of plus 1. So the numbers are 3 and minus 2. So I can factor this as x plus 3 times x minus 2, right? So I do get 2 factors, but x plus 2 is not a factor, right? So that is one way of going about factoring them all. The second way is, if x plus 2 is a factor of these polynomials, then what should be the value of polynomial for x equals to minus 2? It should be 0, right? It should equal to 0. So we can use this property and then find the answer. So let's substitute minus 2 in our equation and see what do we get. So for example, in the first one, if I write x equals to minus 2, I get 2 times minus 2 square minus 8. And that is, minus 2 square is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 minus 8 is 0. So we get that as definitely a factor, right? Now, well, you could have factored also. So you could factor 2, and if you factor 2, you get x squared minus 4, which is equal to 2 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. Well, we do have x plus 2 as a factor, right? Now this one, let's check it with minus 2. If I write minus 2 here, then minus 2 square is 4, and minus 2 times 6 is plus 12. So let's figure it out. So it is 4 plus 12 minus 8. So that is not equal to 0. So this is not a factor. Now here it will be 4. Minus 2 will give me minus 14. And this is minus 10. So this is also not equal to 0, right? So this is also not a factor. So substituting minus 2 is a neat way of doing such examples. Well, it's all up to you. You can factor or substitute and figure out whether the given polynomials are factor or not. I hope you appreciate both the techniques. Thank you and all the best.